Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's start lying down on our back, coming into Shavasana. Relax your legs and your arms. Begin to take some deep breaths, breathing in through your nose, allowing your belly to rise, and out through your mouth, releasing all the air from your body. Bring the soles of your feet together for your butterfly. You can keep your arms relaxed, or you can place your hands on your low belly. Use your hands to slowly close your legs together. Plant your feet on your mat. Relax your arms down to the mat for bridge pose. Lift your hips, press into your heels. Squeeze your glutes as you look up at the ceiling. Slowly lower down inch by inch. Let's do that one more time. Send your hips up for your bridge pose. And slowly lower back down. Hug your knees into your chest. Begin to straighten your legs up towards the ceiling for your waterfall pose as you flex and point your feet. Flex your feet, grabbing behind your legs, and pull your legs closer towards you. Maybe bringing the knees towards the face. Now grab behind your calves or your hamstrings as you rock up the length of your spine, maybe 2, 3, 4 times until you come into a seated cross-legged position. Reach your arms up overhead, and let's twist to the right. Place your left hand on top of your right knee as you look over your right shoulder. Really sit up tall. Reach your arms up, coming back to center, and twist to the left. Face forward and start to walk your hands forward, coming into your cross-legged forward fold. Relax your head, your neck, and your shoulders. Slowly make your way back up, coming into your tabletop position on your hands and knees. Drop your belly low for cow pose as you look up, bringing the shoulders away from the ears. And now cat pose, round your spine, gazing at the belly button, pressing the mat away. Again, cow pose. And cat pose. Really tuck your chin in towards your chest. Come back to tabletop for downward facing dog. Curl your toes under as you send your hips up. Press into the palms, working the upper body closer to the thighs, working the heels down towards the mat. Look forward and step to the top of your mat for forward fold. Hands to shins for halfway lift as you look down and your back is flat. Forward fold. Roll up to mountain pose, reaching your arms up and lift your right knee, so your one-legged mountain pose. Relax the shoulders. Open arm twist to the right. Reach your right arm behind you, left arm reaches forward. Back to your one-legged mountain pose, reach the arms up. Hands come to heart center for your warrior 3. Kick your right foot back so that your body is in a straight line parallel to the mat. That back foot is flexed. Gently lower the back toes for your high crescent lunge. Reach your arms up. Big bend in the front knee. Warrior 2, spin your back heel down. Arms are in a T position, reaching away from each other. As you reach forward, extended side angle. Reach that right arm up, left arm reaches down. Reverse warrior, reach up and back with your left arm. One more time, extended side angle. Really open the chest. Maybe you look up. And reverse warrior, high five the back wall. Begin to straighten your front leg, reverse triangle. Windmill your arms down for low lunge as you step your foot back for high plank. Shift forward, lower down onto your belly. Open your legs a little bit for your full cobra as you start to straighten the arms and drop the head back. In downward facing dog. Take a deep breath. Look forward as you step to the top of your mat. Halfway lift, lengthen your spine, press the crown of your head forward. Forward fold. Rise up to mountain pose. This time lift your left knee for your one-legged. Remember to flex that foot. Open arm twist to the left. Maybe you look behind you. Come back to your one-legged mountain pose. Hands come to heart center for warrior 3 as you kick your foot back, pressing that heel towards the back wall. Crown of the head presses forward. High crescent lunge, lower that back foot, reach the arms up. Really big bend in your front knee, little bend in your back. Warrior 2, spin that back heel down. Looking over your front fingertips as you reach forward for extended side angle. Looking up, opening the chest. And reverse warrior, reach up and back. Again, extended side angle. And reverse warrior. Straighten that front leg, reverse triangle. Windmill the arms down, low lunge, and then step your foot back for your high plank as you lower down onto the belly, coming into your cobra or your up dog. In child's pose, sit your hips back on your heels. Rest your forehead and take some deep breaths in and out through your nose. Make your way back into your downward facing dog, and let's do that sequence one more time, breath to movement, so it's a little bit quicker. Look forward as you step to the top of your mat for halfway lift and forward fold. One-legged mountain pose, lift your right knee. Open arm twist to the right. One-legged mountain pose, hands come to heart center for warrior 3. Lower the foot for your high crescent lunge. Open up for warrior 2. Extended side angle. Reverse warrior. Extended side angle. Reverse warrior. And straighten your front leg, reverse triangle. This time, let's come back to center as we reach forward and then lower that left hand down for triangle pose as you reach the right arm up. So your legs are straight, your arms are straight. Come back to your warrior 2. Back to your high crescent lunge. Lower your hands and step back to downward facing dog. Look forward as you step forward, halfway lift, and forward fold. One-legged mountain pose, lift your left knee this time, flex the foot. Open arm twist to the left. Back to your one-legged mountain pose as you bring your hands to heart center for warrior 3. High crescent lunge. Warrior 2, spin your back heel down. Extended side angle. Reverse warrior. Extended side angle. Reverse warrior. Straighten your front leg, reverse triangle. Come back to center as you reach forward all the way. For triangle pose, lower that right hand, reach the left arm up. Come back to warrior 2. High crescent lunge. Lower your hands down as you step back into your high plank. Lower down onto your belly, coming into your cobra. And let's end by coming into our child's pose, sitting your hips back on your heels and taking some deep breaths. Take one more big inhale, breathing in through your nose. And let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.